Hi, so this is my project 5 for the procedural animation. I made this sink that will fill up with water, and this stopper, if I take it out, it will start to drain. I can put the dishes in there. And for the keyframe animation, just drop the bone on the floor, and the dog will come running. I'll sit down.
So for the sink, I have this block that will slowly rise when the drain is covered and the table is turned forward with 80 degrees. And the dog is using keyframes. You can see some movements here. One of the legs. And that's about it.